It's time for a closet clean out. Hey guys, it's Helen. I'm in my comfy PJs. It is Sunday, so I'm doing kind of like a Sunday reset, but actually I'm doing a closet clean out because it's time. It is time. So this is gonna be the start of my 3-part series, I believe. I'm gonna start off with my closet clean out. I'm gonna do a desk transformation, and I'm gonna do a room transformation because I just need change and I need to do it now. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's my dreaded closet. Yeah, you see how it's like not opening all the way? You know, people, they have that corner in their room or the chair that is filled with clothes. My thing is I have constantly 2 baskets full of clothes at all times. Yeah, these things, and I'm sick of it and I'm tired of it because I don't even wear half of the things in my closet and I hate the organization and I need to change it. And let's really get into it. So you can't see everything, but I got clothes here. I have clothes up here that are horrendously folded. I have all my purses on the sides, which are fine for now, but I got clothes on the bottom. I got clothes everywhere and I'm so overwhelmed, and I just feel like I'm not presenting myself well when I go outside because I'm scared to go into my own closet. So I'm thinking of taking everything out, putting on my bed, organizing it. Pro tip, don't put things in plastic bags because you're not gonna sell it if you don't have the willpower and discipline like most people. Then you're not gonna list it. So, and it's just gonna end up in storage. So I'm thinking of splitting my closet in half to the things I'm gonna wear and to the things that are being listed, so that I can just as things sell, they will be sent off. The feelings that I'm feeling right now feel like self-hate. I took all of these out of my closet and my closet still looks full. Are you joking? I don't even wear half of this. Honestly, could poof right now and I would not even notice.
What the dog doing?
It is 2 months later. Wait, I started and I'm still doing this process. Cleaning out your closet is such a long process. I've been selling a lot of my clothes. I've sold 20 items. I tried the method where I keep all of my clothes still in my closet so I'll remember to sell it, but I found that once I list it, it just needs to go in a bag because I'm still feeling the clutter. It's too much. I have made extra cuts, so I have my whole bed is still filled. But with doing so, I have a whole bag of hangers. I put some empty hangers because I still have some more laundry to do. I'm gonna put that in our garage, and then everything else will be packed up, put in a bag. I actually would really want to do a plastic bin. I think I'm gonna get a bin from Target and put it behind my mirror. All of the stuff that I'm still selling. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go someday in this week, I'm gonna go to Crossroads and like Buffalo Exchange, all of the like reselling stores, thrifted stores, and like take some of my pieces there and see like what they'll take it for, all of the ones that I know won't sell on Depop. We're all caught up to speed. It is it's like the second week of January, and I am doing this in the new year, and I'm gonna set myself up for a really fresh and clean closet. I'm really happy with my closet. I'm gonna show you guys my closet after I put all of this in the bag. Welcome to the cozy closet tour. Let's open her. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to my closets. So I've completely organized my closet by outerwear, so like jackets, sweaters, kind of like the more heavier duty stuff, and then it goes into like long sleeves and like kind of just, this is where all my fun pieces are, is in the middle of my closet. And then it goes into like short sleeves, tank tops, dresses. I didn't color code anything because I don't have enough color pieces to like color code. So, but I think it kind of looks cohesive. It might not look cohesive on camera, but I got like the majority of the same color sprinkled. Like a lot of blues, a lot of greens, and then pink. So it's like blue, green, pink, cream, black. Blue, green, pink, cream, black. Like it repeats in each section. And so yeah, I just have like all of my, should I show you guys a closer look? Is that invasive? Do you guys want to be in my closet to show you my favorite pieces? Because reorganizing my closet has just made me like fall in love again with the pieces that I have thrifted. It's very creative to my style, and I'm still like working on it. These jackets are the ones I get the most compliments on. I love my pink jacket. A lot of these pieces I actually ended up deciding to keep because when I was going through my closet, I was like, oh, like I don't wear this. Like, let me just list it. But then I remembered I had it, so I started wearing like my pink jacket out more, and I started wearing this. I started a new job, and then I found that this was super useful. So then I was like, oh, there's no need to list this. This is like where I keep all of my like knitted pieces. Very cute. This one's really cute. I barely wear this, but I'm waiting for spring to roll around. Yeah, quick little tip. If you have a bunch of pieces that are very small and like, I don't know, this is kind of all the stuff I'm selling on Depop. So I have it on all one hanger. Like there are multiple things in here. And I found that it was easier and it saves a lot of space if you do it on one hanger. Jersey. Shirt that I got in Korea. Another fun graphic. This is where I keep all my graphic tees, and then like kind of baby tees, regular tees, and then it gets into like my fun outside tops, and then it goes into tank tops, cute pieces. Some of these pieces still are gonna be on Depop, like this one's on Depop. Yeah, and then I have like all my tank tops right here, all of my fun ones. And then this piece is also my Harley Davidson piece is on Depop as well. And then all of my tank tops, very boring. Let's really get in back here. I put my hangers up here and now I can't get them out. And now they're just, yes, tank. Cute corset I thrifted recently. Look at these hearts, I'm obsessed with them. Really tiny piece for when I go out. My new Destiny, oh, this must have come out. This is my new Destiny's Child piece, my new number. This is where I keep all of kind of my blouses, halter tops, and then my very slim selection of dresses back here. On the bottom of all of this, I have more of these like gray boxes. They hold all of my skirts, my jeans, sleeve shirts, really boring stuff is down there. It's literally nothing. And then on the side, I keep my bags here. So I have like these brown ones, this really fun plaid one, this Balenciaga dupe, and then this is like my everyday bag. The other side I also have my clear contour bag, this cute Choco bag that I got in Chinatown, red croc butterfly bag, and then I have my Coach bag down here. I moved a lot of my bags to like around my room, so all of my pretty, like my super pretty, my favorite bags are around my room and they're used as decor, and that really cleared up all the clutter that was going on inside, and so now I can open and close my doors without fail. That was my closet tour and my clean out closet. I'm feeling really set up for the rest of the year. I have a system that I think is gonna work. I also advise you guys to clean out your closets and to just clean out your closet regularly, which I learned over these like 2 months. It's not a one-time process. It's not like half the year, a spring clean out situation. You need to clean out your closet regularly. Honestly, I think that's the best way to go, especially if you're like me, who likes to shop, who likes to thrift, and you have a lot of incoming clothes. If you're having clothes coming in, you need to have clothes coming out. It's also just environmentally more friendly. Sorry my closet wasn't like super aesthetic or anything. If you were looking for a really aesthetic closet, this is not the closet for you. This is a real closet. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.